Hello everybody, this is Katerina. Of course, I'm your favorite Nordstrom beauty stylist, and today I'm introducing you brand new limited edition eyeshadow palette from Christian Dior. I will show you step by step how to use this palette. Also, if you will go to my Instagram, you will always see first like a short video, or reel where I showing you look, but this video will tell you details step by step how I create this beautiful look and what product I use. Also, if you're not familiar who I am, again, I'm Nordstrom beauty stylist and work for any brand. I teach you how to look beautiful. This is why you need me. You will see me without makeup and with makeup. It's a huge difference. But most important, if you shop in luxury stores like Nordstrom, Dillard's, Neiman, Saks, Bloomingdale's, you buy an eyeshadow palette, you come home, you don't know how to use, that's it. It's a channel for you. I usually all new releases or old releases, I'm making video how to use eyeshadow palettes from different brands. Okay, girls, let's start. Love you more than ice cream. Subscribe my YouTube channel, and also check out my Instagram. I always make a little reel video. You like it, and then in 1 week or 2 weeks it will be on my YouTube channel, whole entire collection. It will be a whole look in my YouTube video. Again, this is limited edition eyeshadow palette number 233 Eden Rock, I believe this is its name. I really like quality. I will show you swatch on my hand about this palette, and again, it's limited edition. I like texture. It's really small, really buttery. It's not looks dry on your eyelid. It looks amazing. This eyeshadow on the eye. I really like it. It's to die how good this palette. Okay, let me show you how I create this look. My daughter tell me, Mom, you old lady, let me take care of old lady skincare. Today I have not expensive, it's really expensive moisturizer from Christian Dior. This one, it's a prestige collection. Eye cream, of course, how Christian Dior, it says it does everything: lifting, firming, wrinkle reduction, dark circles. This is moisturizer, it's magic, supposed to be $525. How it feels like moisturizer and oil together, and it looks like a Russian caviar, but it's in pink version. I like how it smells, and this moisturizer also for sensitive skin. Get $525. Girls, when I finish this baby, I'm not gonna even throw away this, I believe, containers, because they're so pretty. I'm just gonna use for something else. But let's put eye cream for my eyes, and again, it's a Dior Prestige, and then I will use moisturizer. And this moisturizer, you can see it's like it's a gel moisturizer. I will say it's a gel and oil together. I'm gonna melt on my hand. You can use this day and night, and again, it's good for sensitive skin. I really like how it gives me such a good hydration. Now I'm gonna use brand new Glow in Balm. It's foundation primer from Saint Laurent. It's supposed to be make my skin glowing, beautiful, and it just will give me this natural glow. Let's see. Also, let me show you on my hand. It looks like white, but you know what I like? Do you know how all of Saint Laurent have a products like specifically have smell? This one, it's fragrance free. Well, if you are dry, Yes, girls, you must have this primer. I will list it below price point for this primer, but my skin feels, looks amazing. Wow. And now it's time to use foundation and foundation brush. Yes, my friend Erica from Nordstrom, who MAC manager, she's like, Katerina, you must have this brush, you must have this brush. Yes, I already tried a few times and I really like it. And again, for foundation, I'm gonna use Super Serum Silk Foundation from Yensa. Good hydration, medium to full coverage, and I like how it looks on my skin. Look at my skin, girls. This is brush, this foundation, it looks so good, and my skin don't looks dry, really glowing. Wow. Yes, I really like this MAC foundation brush. Oh, you know, I use a Bobbi Brown or I use a Trish McAvoy, but this one, it's my favorite now. I will tell you, my skin right now, combination too dry, this Dior moisturizer, which one we just used, this primer. It's the first time I feel in my skin so hydrated. It's like too much hydration. And also this foundation, remember, Jans, I do like it. Wow, if you dry, this is 3 combo combination will save your skin. Now I'm gonna use Trish McAvoy Instant Eye Lift. This is like, it's a corrector concealer. It will adjust to your skin color, but what I like it's a good brightener. Now I'm gonna use my finger, I'm gonna slightly little bit absorb my concealer, and I'm gonna use my Beauty Blender Puff. And today we're gonna use, I have a small size from Huda Beauty banana powder, and I'm just gonna slightly put on my puff, and I'm gonna use underneath. Just to set my concealer. And it looks really good. If you apply concealer and your concealer is still dry underneath, don't put any powder. Foundation, powder, concealer, and now I'm 10 years younger. Now I'm looking 35, right? Now it's time to use a bronze, and let me show you close this bronze. This is brand new Christian Dior bronze. It's matte and it's color 005. How to apply bronze? It's very easy. I'm using Charlotte Tilbury brush, and we're applying like close to a hairline and just a little bit blending, or I will say old school, or I always say number 3. 1, 2, 3. And because sun don't hit me right here, sometimes I'm really light, or I'm light here, I just apply a little bit more bronze on my neck. When it's bronze, it's done, and you're not sure if it's everything looks even. Grab your big brush and just go over with big brush and just slightly little bit buff or blend this bronze to your skin. Now I'm gonna use my favorite eyeshadow primer on the entire my eyelid, and it's from MAC Painterly. Girls, this is the best one. Then I will fill my eyebrows, and then we're gonna use this beautiful limited edition eyeshadow palette. Woohoo! I'm using big foundation brush from Chanel, and again I apply on the entire my eyelid eyeshadow primer. Yes, look at these beautiful, gorgeous colors. Let's see how pigmented this color. This is the lightest color. You can see it's a beautiful glow light reflecting color. second color, which one I want you to see, this beautiful gold orange. Wow. And this is, it's a third color, it's beautiful creamy blue. You can see it's not metallic, it's more, I will say, radiance, a little bit more iridescent. Now I'm showing you the darkest brown color in this palette, and this eyeshadow feels really like a powder to cream. And now I'm showing you the lightest colors. It's a beautiful, beautiful light brown colors. I really like texture of this beautiful Christian Dior eyeshadow. I have eyeshadow primer, and we're gonna start with first color. This is gonna be a lightest color. I use a Trish McAvoy blending brush. I'm gonna apply close to my brow bone, and I'm just gonna a little bit build more color right here, kind of on the center. Just like this, very natural, very soft. I really like texture of this eyeshadow. Now we're gonna use this middle color. I apply it on my brush, and I like to use my hand. I'm removing extras this way. And this will be our middle color. Right here, it's a suckle area. I'm going above, like circle emotion, like circle, this beautiful soft brown color. That's it. So far we have with you two colors and looks so pretty. I really to try my technique make very easy for everyone. Remember, light color right here, and this is it's my middle color. Again, first step, one lighter, middle color right here. And now I have a flat brush, it's an old Chanel brush. I'm gonna use this beautiful gold color, and I am applying on my low lid, and I'm gonna apply few more times. We're gonna build color, and then I will use my little bit finger. I'm gonna apply even more this color. You can see kind of it's very soft, but if I will use my finger and I'm gonna apply right here, I like to apply more on the center, build color, because it's kind of give me nice beautiful pop. Now I have another small tiny brush, and we're gonna use this beautiful darker brown color, and I'm just gonna apply on the corner of my lid. I just basically pushing this color up. I layer product, and I'm gonna grab a big brush, and I'm gonna just blend and blend. And you can see from corner to this corner, I blend in this darker color. This is actually darker brown color, pretty intense. Now I have a small tiny brush from North. Yes, if you long time was in my channel, this is my favorite. Again, I'm gonna use this darker color, and I'm gonna apply very softly underneath. I have a big blending brush, and just let's blend everything. We're almost done. If you don't want to use this blue eyeshadow, it's okay with me. This is, I will say, extra. Do I really need? I don't need, but because it's here, I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna use first liquid eyeliner from Stila, and then I'm gonna put on top this eyeliner, this navy color, and I apply this liquid eyeliner very close to my lashes. It's a beautiful green color, beautiful green color from Stila. It's waterproof eyeliner. I love this brush. It's gorgeous. Eyeliner, it's done. Again, I have small blending brush. We're gonna use this navy eyeshadow. I'm just like gonna very close to my lashes apply on top of this green eyeliner. Oh, actually it's very pretty. I bring camera a little bit more close to you, and right here, this is where I apply this navy eyeshadow. Not all the way in the corner, just right here. But look at how pretty this is. We're almost done. Now I'm gonna apply a little bit more this light color. This light color I'm gonna apply a little bit more close to my brow bone. It's gonna give me extra lift. Now let's use primer from Christian Dior, and then I'm gonna use Lancome Hypnose Drama. It's a drama mama mascara, I'm telling you girls. And we're gonna apply on the bottom and on top. Now for extra pop, I'm gonna use Anastasia pencil. It's like highlighter. One color it's matte here and one it's shimmer, and matte color I'm gonna put inside of my waterline. Let me set my makeup with Natura Baiser Setting Mist. I love this mist. It's matte diamond mist. It smells so good and I feel so good. If you ever go and like, can be your daytime look, right? Because it's very soft, it's very natural. But if you going somewhere and you want extra, for extra Bobbi Brown Moonstone eyeshadow, like this sparkle shimmer eyeshadow, or what you can do, just put in the center. Or I like to use anytime, go to Publix, go to red carpet, just kidding, or to work. This is my favorite sparkly eyeshadow. Let's use little bit highlighter from Jaclyn Hill. Remember, I used to work with this girl. She's so successful. She just married. I love her dress. She looks so spectacular. Okay, let's put her highlighter, and it's color Iced. And I did find my old Christian Dior brush. This is like probably 20 years old brush, but I still have. And after highlighter, I'm gonna use this beautiful blush from Giorgio Armani number 40. It's a beautiful red color. Let's finish my lips. We're gonna use for my lips Christian Dior Saint Germain lip liner 824, and then I'm gonna use, it's actually sample, but it's Velvet Lip Perfection matte color number 02. I believe Bloomingdale still selling this, and I really like it. I'm gonna show you on my lips. This product make your lips so smooth, like a balloon. It's insane. I don't know no one product do something like this. It's just incredible. Okay girls, I am done for today. I hope you like this look. Again, if you like makeup and you go to shop to these fancy stores and you don't know how to use this palette or this palette, reach me. I will make video just for you. Okay, thank you so much. Love you all, and I will see you in my next video.